We want to foster people that are not just silent bystanders in the world, but are active participants in making this world a better place. So this video is about introducing the BA in Politics, which I believe is a program for anyone who wants to understand our political life and who wants to be of service to society. So I think that this course really offers a very current, a very up-to-date, but also quite a critical account of what politics means today. And importantly, we aren't just concerned about learning or teaching about the facts of political life, but we're also very concerned about the ethics of political life. Also, it has a very strong commitment to social justice. So we are not only interested in learning about or knowing about the world, but also how can we change it for the better. I will be teaching modules in comparative politics and government, and also modules on the global far right. As we know, the global far right has become ever stronger year by year. It's not really a phenomenon that is going away, and it's something that democracies have to tackle if they want to survive. We have done a lot of work to introduce a more practical element to this course. We are focusing a lot more on the skills that people need to succeed in professional life after this degree. So my favorite thing teaching on this program is definitely the students, because we have a lot of fun in the classroom. People are not lukewarm to this topic. It's always a very active atmosphere in the classroom. Politics is not boring, and it's likely to just become more heated and more interesting in the years to come.